o'clock they will be in here, and then coming your way with tip of Champions League matches. Normally are they, and then the Ecoso yesterday it was another edition of El Clasico in Ghana, but they did not show face. It was a goalless draw game, goalless drawn game. If we are saying has Kotoko Obienu how timidi atna matna kasa the game net is saying in Europe matches were played and that, but the main kick as the Champions League matches are among for share ni mu say Barcelona komonko no monko lusu Italy but NC and the air coso nyina na ko wie say Barcelona ye ti ye champ PSG now final no Barcelona J. Write it down. We are meeting PSG and we are winning the Champions League. Bam. Makasa we. Ya Kenya call to that one bobo. Okay. Our buddy John Dramani Mahama and then after 120 days in office, among 42 na basane sre ebi mabona baso ebi say Felix Opochukwu Achinra or the Tony Page said President Mahama enters an important week in which stock will be taken of the rollout of his 120-day social contract. It begins tomorrow, which is today, with the unveiling of a strict code of conduct to regulate the activities of all appointees and ensure transparency and accountability in government. It's your mama naochi or the friend code of conduct to be tour and the yeshana se unruma na you are free and now busua. Many have started asking questions. Say, Adenti and the ministers no be omun declare omo assets. The asset declaration I will do 2 Jano. 3 months no soon you be and declare omo assets. Oma penny John Mama 120 days no. I will take his stock. There be near man why yeah. Ghana for Bonabaso, Ghana for Bofu. When it comes to Galamsey, when it comes to the suspension of the Chief Justice, when it comes to abolishing some taxes, normally idea by electricity, ayatumu, any COVID-19 levy, bimusu onyim free or by our launch a juma pa, a juma pa, kumasi, a juma ra, while launch will kumasi, while launch near my baby, near Castle Obey Forum, Obey Education Forum, National Dialogue, no, Skype 120 days obey. Nina waye but ebi musu fi say niama bebre so wo honoma nkoyi se se asomento ba bia nenam dollar tiba 14 asa the no na asa huri ko 15.2 no pay minim yeah ko about 14.8 one man penny crab ball Bank of Ghana Governor Basso say why stop what me abom mod minim said you can any through dollar na sa agye no ho a what's about 15 more on my walk and also the every day 55 appointees and staffers defy Mahama's order. Will the president go by his word or is just going to be empty threats? People are asking serious questions. So Mampenia Kasa 55 appointees and staffers Oma Buso Omo foremost answer declaration kwa bro Mampeni jo mama edit here. Omampeni would do the do no asaki omo. And answer they empty threat or empty talk or lip service. Beno kase ya demonstration MPP ni 6 other parties here, you know, it's ongoing. And I'm ushe be TV so no. Just say one more say Chief Justice suspension. I'm catch on man so reinstating. And I say I don't know no ko iba for money everyone. Acting Chief Justice bafu money. I'm penny appointing the pan so I'm ko say vacancy e wo na ye tupe. Na num na e. Enye this for na ye dede say Nana Akufo-Addo asoa nipa bebre akogu a oyama Supreme Court justices not dos no na there should be a law to give a cap a brand nyama ende so almost appoint here ende the demonstration ikoso Kofi Apalu eka team no ho mate agum. Na Percival Kofi Apalu wa homa no so. Founder and leader of LPG. Mamene ni nkomo. His Excellency Percival Kofi Apalu. Good morning. Good morning, Percival Kofi Apalu.
Good morning, sir.
Unia Omanhene Yaw Boakye now pom to say.
Omanhene Yaw me na dumara kwa me hoye pa.
Anope me no kasa he na wugina poti.
Oh, anope de me wo airport. Manitre Accra. Na mako join me na demonstration no. Ti me no kasa the next 20 minutes the flight between until 2 and I say 40 minutes time or Accra.
Okay. Mate airport for you know kun. Kofi mame musa we why this demonstration and why useful or the need? Dientina demonstration hu hia dientina wonso fi say e was so do don sa demonstration we.
Demonstration with the papa Beboa Magana Kadumami Kabino Etimetunton. As I say, Omanhene Yaw idea, and never go for the and Yediama John Mahama say or Hesomae and Jagaza on Titi Kamfa or Hesomae. Also, my idea, so Yenema, a Beboa shareholders, which mean for the Mano Sake, now Yeniope. And I'm one out to know. So, was say judicial system, no. Now, man, be political. No one said, and I can. As I say, I'm one out to know. So, just a bit to one man. That's in Biano. Wabe Baba Mubiano. Oba now the Chief Justice, Enam. And no judges, Enam. And no Bassa, or best say judicial system, no. A very dangerous president, and or such, So, you Makwan man, a baswa. Obibia, Uti menu, and a power. Fatu dreams there. Ever quite out. So, MPP, NDC, CBP, ever quite out. I didn't never quite out. Say, but quite say, Utimi, a Chief Justice said easily. Sir, Obia Bobit may you be sweaty. Never saw. The whom but we brought judges in them, Circuit Court Judge, High Court Judge, Appeal Court Judge, OBR, because Chief Justice Namu, now we Magistrate Court Judge. You be you simple cry. It's a basana, what you were Juma, now we show what you. A come swear, wouldn't say it's not clear from Mofra Juma, wouldn't I do betty? It's in a basana, Ned Wabu, now we are near ma and fata. It is a men are a political head, and I know Yaw Boakye any problem, Omanhene Boakye any problem. And I remember Buswell in the war, and I'm not fast to be no one as Madame for the war. And one is a means to me political influence. No, my friend, Judge Crowd, Yasaman so. No, Munano, Makaja is a mother, as I'm now with you, why in this year, see. Ebiana Kaminia, Omanhene Boakye, Kabedibim. As one name. May influence of the unity. No, judge, there's somebody get you, which is very dangerous. It is yeah, can see how we NDC now, what do you say? Utuana, papa. Now that's the bussy, Ujima, and I'll bet you, can I say? But you never say, Masadi, you crab. All the institutions in Ghana, you're politicizing in ya. Sesiano, Adeakye Abia, Duma. Etimenya political judicial no me no nya asem kokota me nwene ho ne judge kura wotie say one the bedroom say judge not no MPP and now NDC and now CPP. Nobody talks about that because obia wo adwene kama the judge kura okotena asem so but ba say ye yi judge for no ne the MPP bem ne the NDC bem ne the LPG bem a afefi obi anya jiji bia wo judge for ni mu biem asem bi kwa no di for cross and I'm saying me party wintina judge we so this party ni anything am asem na kosa. So that is why we are telling aban no tiso ne say yesre no onye no nkum akire mo fata hu entu anamo enye niema enfata because se komo ba yi ena ma me no ko man kan ho asem bi prior to the election enko bi akwa dwene mpo nye den emma so na mo anam de se mutum say mo ba ya mepa mo no etinese akwa say wata hu na mo se mo de pa mo ma me no enese bi ma me na bi boni bia de na se ma me na ye de mo kan se be se ma me no ede ne batu kwan and that's what the new crew to kwan number jo Chief Justice of Ghana or the new crew to kwan as an elu to kwan na ba fa ho ka boni beno na say kesana ke Canada and ka sen ka bamba be Speaker of Parliament on the third in command on ne man na ifu na to kwan ko Dubai yeah ban ka no yare no ko share no yare ne ade obi ni wo complain here because almost a fata Sasuna president nan we are obai onen the Basharif our preparing so baba MP e Bole Bamboy onen nam just otiti ye play mu mo ko up and down mo ba oh eti o mo ko ba yina obi an complaining so they say eti ana ni tina Chief Justice here also the fourth in command in Ghana na se bia o no de the betu kwan na se ne kuro tu kwan ni security kurampo aban ne bono ka se o de bitu kwan how much money ba anani kuru so sometimes be to make kai bia won ti ase yes akwa bi police ni bi say or no court ono koye anyamara se mo na mama na tiatia no wo se no nti ni mama na di na se John o ti ase a kasas mi ko beti ase oni minia samia wuku any can crunching so dem tell you need the answers to bua e dem for akwa bi so court but we be an complain because e say me say judge o take kunyamu de o tumi e because say the 2 minutes e di akọ na akoba na say yes enko ima me say police ni bi akodi nsanfo wo police e wo court ama ya inchi no ye justice said
Pasiba ye di akire ye be hwe muduru ho no mo a ne ye be koso na bia nso ye nso so ye de ani di akire nyame nka ho na all my traveling mercies in fa nko dun krai
me da sepa
okay Pasiba ko fia palu na otin nka no fa ru prayer kon krai asante akwaba ya nso so akwaba na no Ghana card no NSS in their quest to crack down on ghost names, NSS Penny say, so we need Ghana card, national service no to adjunim. Yentie ne kakramra.
At your own studios, I have said that it isn't as if the measures to forestall to curtail this immoral act wasn't there already. They were all in place, just that they were sidestepped and people overlook them, and that's why these things happen. And then also I've said that there's also a lack of leadership. That's why these things happened. So it is implementing our own safeguards that are already in the system that would prevent and forestall the issue of ghost names here. For example, if you were a school that is not properly accredited with the Ghana Tertiary Education Commission, you are not supposed to do national service. That is it's an institution with questionable character, and these ones it doesn't have to be me to say it. It would have to be somebody who sits here and then is willing to do the right thing to do it. If you don't have Ghana card, you are not allowed to do national service.
Okay, Penina 7 no uni Ghana card, forget. 10,000 national service personnel to begin military training in August as piloting. Over Kaya Omanhene Yaw, the State of the Nation's address on the Tuja said national service for the Yadobi military. They are common military training for 3 months to 6 months. 10,000 of them and they do Mukura a minimum near to Tiomo from next year. Now I don't know a year August. Till your body cast your post to call a military, no akosho, no akos 6 months. And no grab an opportunity for you. Next time, so person come military was already amount 6 months training. And you know, CEO of Comfort Noche Professor Ochre Ademensa has been relieved of his post after a meeting with the health minister. Na me hear mu nyina na ko wie se yera Adamansa omanka chense omu yi no. He was invited for a new board to be sworn in. Almost all the teaching hospitals. Now ya tro ho no mo board members no edu CUIS to be confirmed. Confanochi, yes. CEO no. You invite Sunyani Teaching Hospital. All the teaching hospital Tamale no ne they were invited. Said there's a new board being set up. Emra. Say you have to be there. You are part of the board. CEOs, you are part of the board. Board no listen or no board no not CEOs no be adini.
No Adamansa nko na
there be all the teaching hospitals. CEOs na omo hono ma ban ne beto omo no obi adini.
Obi adini
the
hospital board no so okay.
And actual to be confirmed.
Omo nyina.
Eji omo koye no obi e no omo busa no so minister so o twen mo to omo koye one by one logo line so I want to thank you on behalf of the president for your service. So thank you. You have to with immediate effect no so ono so ntimi nya dey and kase immediately now ko anu akwese name also hand you over it e na no pay 1 o'clock or staff there ba.
Now they say thank you and
that staff na so confirm and then go for be so hopa. Ofri hono so 9 o'clock ya we share management. Board no so new board no so share no 9 o'clock. She's meeting the management to 1 o'clock. Now I now appointed Dr. Pakwesi.
Pakwesi Bedu.
Ashanti Regional Ghana Bar Association.
Ghana Medical
Association. President all confirm no Pakwesi. Is all na ekoye CEO.
Yes, yeah.
Ewo Confanoche. Appointed no.
Another fine gentleman.
It takes over Confanoche. But Adamansa 18 months. My God. Abrante the transformation about. I hope Pakwesi will also carry the torch now or the academy because yes
Friday na Abrante bi ka sembi efa Professor Chira Adamansa homa. Me kura me say enka also I adwuma e wo Confanoche for years. Normally on holidays no. Ubewura hospital honum na che say ho virtually empty. What it say holidays near there na o say ade a omo nyina say e mo ho dwiri omo ye say uza kwota holiday ti say bia wo ba adwuma normally a baby a wo benya to aduane di edin pa around bank money there na holidays amanfo enter nya aduane nti o say prof arrangement staff e be ba adwuma nyina on holiday say a holiday ne ba adwuma obenya a friend say o say either jollof or fried rice no say enokra ne ba package no o say ne de kra no timi di kra me bi come on go vie
that's a special package
special package na oye
he's left an imprint.
Yes,
now they share he'll confirm noche.
Yes.
Abrante na juma wa ye 18 months
na baby a nurses yi ne doctors yi tia ono a hia businessmen, yes, businessmen omo ye paint
na doctors flat
o se we dey paint we are chro company di to keke and baby a ho ye busy pa ke tia ne obehwe o paint ne ko company no a form of
politics bibi o
agonta bende
bibi but then somebody must go for somebody to also come now no so you who the also be enti so na enya Adamansa news say on tra hoda
yes
enti time aso say o say okwa but the communist way I obody say brabod ye be swaying board ko ya say udi nimti ye da say ye no awie
yes see was even about health minister catch him some answer either you resign or I'll sack you. Give them
Adamansa they also catch them no so
you either resign or I'll sack
you. Catch them no so that's cool. But let me go and say bye bye to them. The letter every living post so a letter them
enya ready
name of my appointment letter them the amano I don't think it's fair
appointment letter them the amadi
Pakwesi name of no letter to relieve him of the post you know letter of release you know am I
matekra say ne conditions we are also oje ni nyina no or the Adeakye Abia hospital. That is what I'm told. Reliably.
Niema was say I'll check with
normally.
As a and Niema be a secure demand.
Also, no, na or another 2 years.
Yes, 2 years next year and Kabe.
Into the 2 years.
2 years also Mutiaka.
Also Mutiaka.
What the Adeakye conditions. And then Pancho me yes ka.
I'm told to say.
No. Yes, I never say yes. I
the Adeakye facility no ne.
Some facilities can also the Adeakye. Eba ko di obi bo Thomas Ante. Emma facility or that be can be on man. Famano. And then you non quiet that donation on one.
Of
top be near maybe a honor on one who say be a woman scum of the beton. Say 2 billion ye de mana. On you know fan cotwa the chronometer. So what the Adeakye? Obi be tro hu sika diadi ya sem na aka ye ni Ghana ha na accountant bi ani abre a wo tro hu ne ma kra ko adame sam sraw wo de akwaje na fa be che konfa no chi koje another farmer me nkoye donation
mvangoma nyanga
enkoma konfa no chi ko da bi lead you na sa wo so de acha ban accountant bi a trot ne ya obakoto na account
also the ama hospital
the hospital no dia na be chese ba betom
akoto mo fa bi nto para omo fa bi nto plaster sudi asawa
I am say sika ne be ba omo nya dai adamansa prof misro sika no wo de ache nya mi sira se sa na bo america no credit na mom mana me to account na yi na friends on trade for sika we a wo je ye no wo de ma no obi anhunu na ba kwesi nsom
sika de ehu ahometi o eto account no ma ya na ni yi ya o
ya adamensa we sofo
oh yes
what's a power chapel
ai
eto no e no kwafo mi ni no
oh yes
onni sika no da se wa se no krese wa kan won kan so ahwe no wan kan hye
me de sa na mate
o va continue o va de kakra go kan nu
so on fan che ya me for sina mane de che me de akota sa na mate se as a prof de Adeakye
ya won fan che
akota
no se sa no be ba 7 na o de jai mi
so mo fan to asawa o mo fa bi to sikro so mo fa bi to sikro o mo fa bi to asawa plaster
politics e bibio
oh
sometimes
their brand here
we not take so banner obo eyi na na man for bomb say obo say eyi na the whole nation will be worried.
Oh yeah.
Because the Juma branch and within 18 months.
Oh yeah.
But so when your opportunity so and who they own. So the same opportunity should be given to Boakye
yes.
For people to also see what is inside of
yes.
Now see your confirm change the Pabra what means is overnight. He said Ghana Medical Association Casa won't come you.
Nabakaya. Some few months ago, na osu baby or mo beda hu.
You see,
Emre beto just say confirmation doctors, you know. Ye you o ma free the nyame ono. Say won su bio. Dr. Boakye.
And there is one my nkasa o.
Yes.
Boakye.
Ai
Boakye nana ya. Oko.
No.
Oko di obi ko akabi ni ano.
Mo.
Okay, ye dali e waba. Yeba na abrante na ye crowd about 9 style pa
Mabuda Edward has referee no anya de o
ade
no senka kotoko nya penalty kotoko chese go ayi Ferdinand hwan
se munya free kick nya
akota free kick ne kona nyina wanye
munya over
ba kuturo bi kura wanye
bibia the money man no tip off is on
referee no anya de kura
Afin so Sompa TV so yatena se yede agudie mu nsema yatu ne den tip off ena ebrew ena no penemu medical na memfa se da kese ma legend Omanhene Yaw Boakye ene ne morning show team no enso asese anopen no deɛ ha ghanafoɔ a ahyɛ ghanafoɔ akoma so ɛna ɔmo keka ɔmo yi bi pie ɛnso ɛde ma ghanafoɔ yɛsɔle nkonya so a ɔsan bɛba abɛtoa so na afei nso 9:30 no yɛbɛba back ne yɛde full time no ɛnso ɛtumi abrɛw ɛnɛ anɔpɛ yi ɛgyekum blank st junior